Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop exe from taking so much memory RAM in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to stop, so very easy. Firstly click on start and tap here control panel. CONTROL, open control panel. Click on administrative tools. Click on services. Scroll down. Click on modulars installer. Open. Click on this drop box. After click on disable. Click on apply. After click on OK. There. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to stop exe from taking so much memory RAM in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.